Hello everyone! Welcome to the video about tips and strategies for powerful presentations in English. This video is geared towards non-native English speakers and is focused on helping you become a confident and effective presenter. Delivering a presentation in English can be difficult for many reasons. Non-native English speakers often struggle with pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. They may also feel intimidated by their audience and lack the confidence to deliver their presentation effectively. The good news is that there are ways to overcome these difficulties. Here are some tips and strategies to help you have a powerful presentation in English. Before diving into the strategies, it is important to identify who your audience is. Understanding who your audience is will help you tailor your presentation and make sure you are speaking to their needs. Tip number 2. Write your main points. Once you know who your audience is, you can start to write your main points. What do you want your audience to get from your presentation? Writing down your main points will help you structure your presentation and make sure that you don't forget any important information. Tip number 3. Practice delivering. Now that you have your main points written down, it is time to practice delivering your presentation out loud. As you practice, identify where you get stuck. Is it vocabulary or pronunciation? Once you identify the problem areas, you can practice those parts more. Next, recording yourself and then watching or listening to the recording can help you learn from it. You can identify where you need to improve, and you can also see if you are communicating your message clearly. Also, practicing your presentation in front of a friend, sibling, or colleague can also help you become a more confident presenter. They can give you feedback and help you iron out any issues. Tip number 4. Check your body. Before you start your presentation, take a moment to focus on your breath and check for any tension in your body. Relax any tense muscles and take a few deep breaths. Tip number 5. Clear your mind. Clear your mind with a short meditation or by focusing on your breath for 2 minutes. This will help you be more present in the moment and will help you keep your focus. Tip number 6. Positive mindset. Finally, practice a positive mindset. Remind yourself that you have done the work and that you are prepared. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and you will be successful. I hope these tips and strategies have helped you become more confident and effective in your presentations. Keep practicing, and you will soon become a powerful presenter in English. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.